So how do you know in your body that you are magnetic, that you are attracting? Just simply go through the day and notice that you have a thought. Let's say, I'm hungry. And soon after, you're going to be bringing towards you some sort of food or nourishment, hopefully healthy for you. You have a thought when you wake up. It's like, I want to take a shower, or I'm going to go to the bathroom, or I'm going to brush my teeth. And you bring to you the situation, the environment that fulfills that very thought. If you get more subtle with this, you may have a thought of somebody, and that person may reach out, call you, text you, email you. You may have a thought of something that you're wishing to avoid, for example, traffic on the way to work, and you may encounter it. You may find it across your path. So that's a very vivid example. Now, if you want to practice this on a regular basis, the easiest way to do it is by becoming aware of the thoughts or electric impulses that you are emitting and how do they feel. And this brings us right into the second law, which is beautiful. So you can be practicing both of them at the same time. The second law is called by Abraham-Hicks the science of deliberate creation. And what it means is that with those thoughts that we talked about in the first law, you are creating your experience. So if I think I want to take a shower, I most likely will go and take it. If I think I don't feel like getting out of bed today, I'm going to create more of that. So the deliberate creation brings this deliberate, intentional piece there, which is very important, which means that we become choice makers with our thoughts. And we become reliant of an inner guidance system that we have built in to know if what we are creating is what we intentionally want or not. So how does that feel in your body? How do you know that you are embodying this? By being in touch with your emotional guidance system. How does this make you feel? Do you eat something and right away you check in with yourself? How does it feel in my body? Or even before you eat it, by holding it and checking in with yourself. Does it feel good to eat this right now? Or is it just an impulse? When you see somebody, meet somebody, have an exchange, how does it feel? When you are listening to media, music, news, consuming something, how does it feel? When you create a habit by repeating an action, how does it feel? How do I feel? And then more subtly, how does it feel when I think about finances, when I think about health, when I think about the person that I want to reach out to or that I'm avoiding, that thing that I'm procrastinating or that which I cannot wait to do. And you will see very quickly that your body gives you, much like a spectrum, like a measurement device, a sort of range of feelings or emotions between what feels really good, exciting, grateful, passionate, zest for life, can't wait to do it, all the way down the spectrum to, I don't know, sinking down, breaking my stomach, nervousness, heart-wrenching, and all the way in between, a gamut of different emotions, which Abraham-Hicks says is always feeling good or feeling bad. And how or what creates them is the difference in the range.